A boss is born under a lucky star. Every case goes so smoothly for him.
That is all thanks to his looks.
He totally charms the witnesses.
Let's see you try it then.
Yingjun, I need to use the restroom first.
Go ahead. I'll wait by the door. You guys go on ahead. I'll wait for him here. Can't believe it has been 5 years. That kid has changed so much. He grew taller, and looks even sharper now. Totally different from when he was a cute little boy. I honestly feel like a proud father. But still, I really want to know, why did he vanish 5 years ago? After all, he went through so much trauma back then. Wake up! Please! Wake up! Ever since, he's been terrified of anything resembling a train. If he gets caught up in more drama, that would be too cruel. Did his dad kick him out after getting remarried? Damn it. Why did I have to act so casual, telling him he didn't have to talk about it? Now I can't even bring it up again. I just hope he has been okay during these past 5 years without me.
Since when did you start smoking? It is bad for you.
When I first started working, I just have one whenever I felt bored.
Let's go. We're almost there.
Maybe we should just hail a cab. Are you really okay?
If you are scared, I'll hold your hand tightly.
If you are scared, just hold my hand tightly.
Yeah.
But still, we're 2 grown men.
Look at those 2 guys. Are they a couple?
Well, this is awkward.
Yingjun哥.
Got a headache.
Don't move. Let me lean on you for a bit.
When did this kid get so intense? He looks completely calm, but feels so dominant. Cheers!
Watch your manners, guys. You are public servants, remember?
No matter where you've been, all these years, I am just so glad to see you again. From now on, whatever happens, you have to tell me. Don't ever. Oh, promise.
I promise.
Hey, you are drunk. Stop drinking.
No way. I've only had 6 bottles. Don't underestimate a man. Who survives in the real world?
Yingjun.
Hey!
Anyone here? Yingjun.
Babe, I think someone's coming. First come, first served. He's mine now. Get lost if you know what is good for you. Fuck you. You are gorgeous. Blue eyes. Are you mixed? I can barely control myself.
What do you think you are doing?
Get off me! What the hell? Don't you know how this works? We got here first!
Yingjun, wake up! Taking advantage of a drunk guy. You are the ones breaking the rules here.
Is he yours? Come on. He looks like a regular around here. Why are you so uptight?
Yingjun,
You are really ruining the mood. He's the one who hit on me first. He practically begged me to touch him. Let go! You are hurting me! What is wrong with you?
Ha! Are you insane?
from now on, nobody touches him. Except me.
None of your business! Who the hell are you to him?
Whatever you used to touch him, I am going to take it and slice it off piece by piece.
Are you kidding me? Saying stuff like that. Is he psycho? Look at that killer glare. This guy. Total lunatic. We need to get out of here. Get away from me! Freak! What absolute shitluck! Running into a psycho on a hookup!
Hey! Someone open the door! Help!
Why are you running?
Stay back! I know martial arts!
Should I start with the hands or the face? Don't worry. I've always been an A student in clinical practice. I won't take a single inch more than necessary. Yingjun girl.
I feel a bit sick. But whatever. I can still drink. I am a great
Over here.
adult.
Sai. We're almost there. Keep it together. Don't pass out on me.
The vibe tonight was pretty good. Want to hit another spot? Are you kidding? I am exhausted. Your place tonight. Sounds good.
What is going on here? Someone's dead!